Okay, so we're going to look at the features here. We can edit at any time by clicking this button. I like this share button better than the one we looked at a minute ago because it allows us to embed straight to Google Classroom. We can also type in the name of an email address for a colleague or a parent and send it that way. Lots of ways to get this information to our students, and you can navigate the tools here and resources as you see fit. But we're just going to go over the basic use of Quizlet, and the first feature we're going to look at is the study feature, the flashcards. Alright, so on the main landing page you'll see all of our terms and definitions. We can have those read.
Compare to determine similarities between two elements.
We can star items maybe that we need to really pay attention to and focus on later that we're struggling with. And what I like to do is look at the flashcards. So I'm going to click on flashcards, and this is what Quizlet was originally designed for. It's a digital flashcard study system. So this is sort of the classic use of it. And so what it starts off with is a definition to determine similarities between two elements. All right, and so I need to know what the definition, or excuse me, what term goes with this definition. If I don't know, I will click to flip. I can also use the up and down, left and right arrows on my keyboard to flip, and that's what I'm doing now, and navigate. You'll notice when I went to the second card, it was starred. That was from my original page. I can study this until I master it. Once I master it, I can unstar it, okay, and then I can go to the next term. So we look at the definition, figure out, do I know the term? Point of view, I didn't know that one. I can star it, study it separately, or whatever works for you and your students. You could also have it read aloud.
The perspective from which a story is told.
And there are other options over here. If you click play, it'll automatically go through your study set. You can shuffle it and it'll change up the order. And then there's some more options down here that you can mess with. You can have the audio on or off. You can have all the study questions and answers, or just the starred ones. And then we can also start with the term or the definition, and then you can also start with both. So this would be just another way to look at your terms and become familiar with them. And when you finish, it'll give you a little summary. Okay, so we're going to go back, and the next thing we're going to look at is the learn feature.